Hey friends, let's fly through this video because I hate wasting your time. I personally wish I knew these 5 hacks when I was just starting out, and that's why I'm making this video. They help websites look absolutely beautiful and professional, like this animated carousel of images, and when you hover over it, it stops, as well as animated icons and gradient color headlines and gradient color backgrounds, as well as some gradient for website sections, which smoothly transitions from one color to another, buttons as well, and video backgrounds. It's all documented and you will get this for free at the end of the video. No email, no phone, no nothing required. Also, we'll be building this exact website from scratch together in this video. So let's get into it. And by the way, if you find this valuable, consider subscribing for more future videos and future value like this one. Okay, so first on our agenda is image carousel. Let's start with that. As promised, we're gonna build it from scratch. So let's just create a new website using the GoHighLevel templates. And we're gonna use the one that I showed in the beginning of the video. So like automotive, and I think it was this one. Okay, so the website has been successfully created. To add the image carousel, we have to create a new section and one column. So let's do that. We create a new section, full width, then add row, one column, and then add an image here. It can be anything you like. We then go to advanced settings of that image settings section, and then in the custom class area, we type carousel and then press enter. Then we duplicate it at least 4 times. And per instructions, it says then change column layout to horizontal. Vertical, and then we switch to horizontal. And we keep duplicating. 6 is good. Then what we do is we select the column row, we go to advanced section, and then we copy this CSS selector code. So we copy it, we go back to the Word document file, and then replace the yellow highlighted text with the one that we just selected. Paste, paste. Then copy this entire code starting from the HTML. Copy, go back to the website builder, and then in this area, click on the custom CSS button and paste the code. Save. As you can see, it's already been animated. Okay, so the second hack is the animated background and icons, like this that I showed in the beginning, and as well as the animated icons in this section over here. How to do it is we go to Canva, and then we find in the elements video that you like, for whom you're building the website for. For me, it was a dealership, so I just type a dealership and I find this video, and I download it as a GIF. Here, I go to download, I press GIF, size is 0.8, fine, just press download. Then what we do is we go back to the website builder, and in this section, which has this image as a background, instead, what we want is the GIF that we just downloaded from Canva. We press here and upload our file. It's already been uploaded here, so I'm just gonna double press, and boom, it's done. And you want to press full center instead of full center parallax. Everything is shown as in the video. What you also can do is you can fade it a little bit more, because right now it's a light fade. I mean, you can adjust it to your liking as much as you want. For example, it was light fade, not a fan, so I would put it in a heavy fade. Next hack is the animated icons that you've seen here. Now, they can be any GIFs you like. You can again use Canva to find those GIFs, those animations. And the way you do it is you go to elements, you type cars or anything you like. Then here in the settings, you have to select animated. And then graphics, and those are gonna be your GIFs. Again, what you do is you download them as not a video file, but as a GIF file. That's how you can get any GIFs you like. If you like the GIFs that I use in here, then in the Word document, there's going to be a link to that collection. So you press here, it's going to bring you to a Canva page with those GIFs. You download them. And then if you do not like the color because it doesn't match your brand's color, like in our example, it's all orange and the GIFs are in green, you can go to this website. It's free. And then upload your GIFs. For example, this one. Then you press upload. So then you scroll down and in colorize section, you have to play around with the hue number to get it right to match your colors. For example, if I press 20 and then scroll down and apply selected changes, then it will gonna give me some red orangey hue, which if I like, then I press save and the GIF is ready to be uploaded to my website. So what you do then is you go to your website builder, press here, and then image, upload the new image. It's gonna be a GIF like this one. And just like that, it's gonna now change to an animated icon, which is actually a GIF. Okay, so the next hack is the gradient color of your backgrounds and of your buttons, like here, here, and there. To do that, you copy this CSS code, you go to your website builder and paste it in the custom CSS section. Then you go to this website, My Color Space. You have to play around with it to find the right color combination for your specific website, for your specific purposes. You know, for example, you go with this and then that, generate, and then you just copy that CSS code over here, go back to your website builder, and basically replace the existing background image line for the new one. Also, this .gradient1 is the name of this specific code action. It's not gonna work unless you name specific backgrounds with that exact gradient1 name as well. If I click save, then nothing is gonna change unless we go here and we have to name this section in the advanced sections, give it this name, which is gradient1. And then it's gonna change color, which will work the same way for your button backgrounds. I find a button that I want to change the background for, go to advanced custom class, and then type gradient1. Done. Okay, so the next hack is for the gradient text. It's the same, but has additional code. What you do is you just copy this and paste it back in the website builder custom CSS section. Paste it, and as you can see, the class name is different. It's gradient number 2, which you will then name all your gradient headlines and gradient text with. So what you do is you go back to your color.space website, you generate a new combination, and then you copy the CSS code, go back to the website builder, and replace this line with the new code. The next step, as we've learned, is to adding those custom section names for their headlines. For example, those testimonials, or maybe shop, finance, and buy your car. That's where we want to apply that gradient. And we go to advanced, and in the custom class, we type gradient2. Boom. As you can see, it just disappeared, but don't worry, it's just a bug of the website builder. And if you publish it, the actual website is gonna properly show it. As you can see here, the gradient successfully applied. It looks much more professional. Here's our icon. Here's the animated carousel slider. Everything works as it should. The last one is the survey color change, specifically around radio select survey element, like this one. This is just a survey element, which is a multiple choice question answer. And to make it look prettier, you can add images to it. So this is a survey element with images. My problem with GoHighLevel Survey Builder is that you cannot modify this gray color and the font of the text in here. I finally found a solution, and if you know, and if you've been also frustrated as I am with the GoHighLevel funnel survey builder, then this solution is for you. That's before and this is after. So what you do is you copy this CSS code. Again, this Word document, you're gonna get it for free. You then go to your, instead of funnels and websites, you go to surveys, select the survey that you're trying to change. For example, here, right now, this one doesn't have a survey element with images. Let's just add it. New slide. Here, as you can see, very ugly with that gray text background. Now, what we do next is we go to settings over here, and then we click advanced settings. All the way at the bottom, custom CSS, and then you paste the code that we just copied from the Word document, and then you click save. And by the way, you can change the font to anything you like. For example, here, for me, I like Montserrat, but you can use Poppins or Arial, whatever, so you can change it. You can also change the font weight, which is how bold it's gonna look. You can make it even more bold. We click save. That's before, and that's gonna be after. Preview, and that's after. Also, if you don't like the vehicle background, it's because they are not PNGs. You can just like download images that don't have a transparent background. That's just an example. I wouldn't use it in an actual survey. But yeah, as you can see, this one was removed. The font was changed. So before and after. By the way, if you want to have your icons or PNGs be perfectly aligned in this area, then what you do, because as you can see here, if you just drag and drop your PNGs in the radio select survey element, then they're going to be aligned a little bit to the left of this area. So in order to have them centered, you need to download them a little bit off center, like here. As you can see, I created those icons in Canva. When I download them, I like to put them in the bottom right corner, and you can just drag and drop your PNGs, whatever you like in there, and just play around, use it for your own surveys. So these were the 5 website hacks that I wish I knew earlier, which help make more professional looking websites. And if you want this Word document with all the instructions and CSS codes for free, then make sure to be subscribed and leave comment down below, to which I will then reply with the link to this Word document. So I hope you enjoyed it and found this valuable. I will be making videos like this every week, so make sure to be subscribed for more value in the future. Bye.